Beyond beauty, these tiny creatures hold deep secrets. Their cultural impact in Japan is truly astonishing. Beyond beauty, these tiny creatures hold deep secrets. Their cultural impact in Japan is truly astonishing. From ancient folklore, insects have inspired humanity. Specifically, moths and butterflies carry rich symbolism. In Japan, their presence permeates art and tradition. They represent transformation, beauty, and the fleeting. Join us to uncover their captivating cultural journey. This world of intricate symbolism will truly surprise you. Historically, butterflies often symbolize the human soul. The Heian period saw their elegance in courtly life. They graced kimonos, poetry, and intricate designs. Moths, however, held a more complex, darker meaning. They represented spirits of the deceased or even omens. This duality reflects Japan's nuanced view of nature. Samurai sometimes used butterfly crests for warriors. The Terra clan famously adopted the butterfly motif. Ukiyo-e artists embraced these delicate winged creatures. Katsukawa Shunsho depicted them in beautiful woodblock prints. Often paired with flowers, they enhanced natural scenes. Butterflies also appear in exquisite lacquerware and ceramics. Their intricate patterns became textile design inspiration. Traditional crafts like origami capture their fragile form. Even modern anime and manga feature butterfly imagery. This enduring aesthetic appeal spans centuries of art. Folk tales often feature butterflies as messengers. They guide lost souls or deliver important tidings. A white butterfly might signify a loved one's spirit. This belief connects directly to the Buddhist Obon festival. During Obon, ancestral spirits visit their living relatives. Moths, particularly the death's head hawk moth, symbolize ill omen. Their appearance could warn of impending misfortune. Continue to these influence beliefs, our daily life, deeply woven into rural communities.
Today, these symbols continue to influence daily life.
Butterfly motifs adorn fashion, jewelry, and home decor. They embody beauty, change, and delicate sophistication. Their presence enriches gardens, creating tranquil spaces. Protecting their habitats preserves cultural heritage, too. Organizations like Butterfly Conservation Japan work tirelessly. They ensure these winged wonders thrive for generations. Their small lives matter, ecologically and culturally. From ancient scrolls to modern designs, their journey persists. Rich cultural tapestry. Moths and butterflies are more than just insects. Rich cultural tapestry, their tiny lives hold immense significance and beauty. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories from nature.